Rate it.
9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. Okay, so it's not as bad as like normal kombucha.
What type of slime are you going to make?
I'm gonna make butter slime.
What type of slime are you going to make?
Butter slime.
What type of slime are you gonna make?
I'm gonna make, I don't know. I don't know which one I should make because if I make a glittery slime, the glitter's not gonna show. Cause it's opaque. Whatever that word is. I got you guys spoons. The party spoons.
Thank you.
Party spoons.
Aww. How thoughtful.
And then
I'm not sure how much to
Oh.
use.
I'm just gonna start off with a little bit.
Pour me up some.
I mean, I'm gonna stop.
Wait, look at the spoon. Look,
Yeah.
it's glittery.
You didn't fucking that's what I was
No, I wasn't paying attention. That's like the coolest part of the spoon. Get that action shot.
saying.
Whoa, that's good.
Okay.
Oh my God.
So sorry.
Don't apologize.
Oh, I can add lotion. Sorry.
Ooh, look at that.
Put some of this in here.
I'm gonna make it light purple.
Ooh.
I gotta like ease into it, you know.
I'm gonna make a blue-green.
Ooh, that's turning into slime. Mac. What color is that slime?
Shut the fuck up. It's for you, Grimace.
Damn, Autumn's going ham on her slime.
That's what good pussy sounds like. Oh my god. This is not like what I remember it being.
Annie, how you doing?
I don't know, bro. I don't know. I might have put too much in. That's what I'm thinking.
Damn, you got it like fully out of the container.
This is nice. No, yours is fucking nice, bro. How'd you make yours like this? Y'all gotta feel this. Feel it.
Whoa.
I'm saying.
Ew, the residue.
No, I need to add more. No, don't add more. Just keep mixing it. Okay.
Time to revisit Annie's slime.
How's yours going too well? I don't think it's going too
What are you gonna name it?
I have no idea. I haven't even thought of that yet.
What's yours name?
Gunter.
Gunter? What about yours?
Tree trunks.
Yo, that's a sick name. You're adding air dry clay. What are you adding air dry clay to your slime for?
Make it butter slime.
Make it butter slime.
No, wait. I think this is the process. Is it? I think. This doesn't look right. What's happening? I don't know.
Ew.
I don't like this. Here comes the airplane. Oh, hello. I got it.
Shaving cream.
Like a donut.
Mac has to remake their slime because,
I don't want to talk about it.
yeah, we won't. We won't revisit it. You have a plan? What's your plan? Tell me your...
I kind of lied. It's mostly just in my head.
Okay. That's okay.
Ready? Damn. Oh, I didn't fart like I wanted to. Okay. Like this. That looks so cute. Baby blue.